back to Curiosity Corner Live. My name is Joy, and this morning we got to have a chat with NASA about Apollo 13 in honor of the mission's 50th anniversary. So I learned a lot about the Apollo 13 mission, and I hope that you did too. And I learned that we can use a lot of what happened with Apollo 13 to help us with our marble runs, because Apollo 13 had to contend with gravity, just like our marbles do. Gravity is the force that pulls everything down. So if I were to just leave this marble sitting in my hand, it's not going to move. I need to tilt it or have it move down in order to make it move and let gravity take over. Just like our marbles have to contend with gravity, Apollo 13 had to deal with the differences in gravity from going from space back into Earth. We also need to think about impact and landings, because Apollo 13 had astronauts inside, so they needed to figure out the safest way to return to Earth. They splashed down in the South Pacific, but we don't have to worry about that. We don't have to splash down in an ocean to keep our marbles safe, but we want to think about making sure we have a safe, solid landing. Because if it lands wrong, it could go flying off the track, it could bounce out of where we want it. We just want to make sure that it goes and lands exactly where we want it to without going completely off course. And by solving these problems and thinking about these things, like how you can use gravity to your advantage and how to brace for a safe impact, you are being engineers at home. So the astronauts that were on Apollo 13 were engineers too, because they had to use stuff that they found around them in order to fix their air filter. So I was inspired by that, and I thought, what do I have at home that I can use to make my marble run? So I found this old vacuum cleaner hose, and I thought this could be an interesting marble run track. So I had to experiment a lot with the angles, so that way it didn't just stay, but I think I made a pretty cool marble slide. So this is my marble run. It starts up here. I have a little ramp. I have a little seesaw that we learned about with Matt on Wednesday. Then the marble travels through the hose, up, does a nice little curve around the moon, down, uses gravity, lands in my funnel, and then hopefully lands right here safely back at Earth. So let's see if that works. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Success! I'm very proud of myself, and I hope that you guys have had fun at home with our Marble Run Challenge all week long. So this is my engineering project. We want to see your engineering contraptions. So take photos and videos of your marble runs or Rube Goldberg machines. Share them with us on social media. Tag us. Use our hashtag StayCuriousCLE. We really want to see what you've been designing. So we are so excited for this weekend. So coming up tomorrow, you're going to go visit Jared, and he is going to show you some really cool stuff with force and motion that might just explain how some of your devices work. So make sure you come back tomorrow and every day right here to Curiosity Corner Live at 10:30 and at 3 o'clock. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So keep building, share your creations, have fun, and until next time, stay curious.